Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies at home. You are listening to your chemistry teacher Miss Hana Islam. Today we are going to study about chapter number 5, physical states of matter of 9th class. Shukr alhamdulillah, we have completed the chapter, all the topics of chapter number 5, and today's our lesson is about review questions, or you can say that MCQs, multiple choice questions. So question number 1 is, which statement about the particles of a solid is not correct? Means इसमें हमें ये बताना है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सॉलिड के बारे में करेक्ट नहीं है, not correct. So the option number 1 is, they move at great speeds. As we know that solids move in fixed position, and we can say that their motion is vibratory motion. So first option is the correct option. पहला ही ऑप्शन इसका सही जवाब है, क्योंकि सॉलिड्स जो हैं वो अपनी एक मेन पोजीशन पर वाइब्रेट होते हैं. They never move at great speeds. Now question number 2 is, the boiling point of some elements are given below. We have been given 4 gases and their boiling points. So argon boiling point is minus 186 degree. Nitrogen boiling point is minus 196 degrees. Oxygen boiling point is minus 183 degrees. Xenon boiling point is minus 108 degrees. Question arises, what we are going to do with these? So the second part is, a mixture of our gases at minus 210 degrees was heated by 20 degrees. Which of the element will still be in the liquid state? These all temperatures are lower than 0 degrees. It means they all are in gases. Either oxygen, either nitrogen, either argon, either xenon. But if there is a mistake in your book of xenon, which is 108 degrees boiling points. So इस सवाल का जवाब D है, xenon only, because only xenon will be in liquid state at 108 degrees. Question number 3 is, the following table shows the melting and boiling point of 4 substances. Which substance is a solid at room temperature? इसमें हमने बताना है कि 4 substances के boiling and melting point दिए गए हैं, और इनमें से solid कौन सा होगा रूम टेम्परेचर पर. Substance A melting point is minus 186. It means it is already in gaseous state, because it is lower than 0 degrees. Substance B minus 6 melting point, it means it will also be in gaseous state. C, it means it is 0 to 100 degrees, which is our water. So it will be in liquid state. And option D is 36 to 130 degrees. It is above room temperature. You know that room temperature is 25 degrees. Note it, students, our room temperature is 25 degrees. So here in option D, the melting point of a substance is 36, which is above than room temperature. So it will be solid at this point. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 4 is, in which of the following process the speed of the particles decrease? you know very well that in melting, solid converted into liquid state, and boiling, liquid is converted into the gaseous state, and sublimation, solid is directly converted into the vapor state. In condensation, the vapors are condensed into the liquid state, and in evaporation, again liquid surface evaporated. So option D is the correct answer, क्योंकि इसमें vapors जो हैं they will condense. So the correct answer is condensation. Now we are moving towards question number 5. Consider the following table. In this table we have been given 4 relationships between volume and temperature or their respective y. You can say that. Here we consider x as a volume and v as a temperature. So in the first serial number, you can see that x is equal to 1.00 and y is equal to 273. Total is x by y is 0.0037. And in the second series, 1.37 is the x value, 373 is the y value, and the total x by y is equal to 0.0037. In the third series, 1.73 is the x value, 473 is the y value, and 0.0037 is the x by y ratio. And in the fourth series, 2.10 is the x value, which is the volume, and 573 is the y, and 0.30037 is the x by y ratio. So we have to prove. What we have to prove? The relationship does this table represent? You can see x by y ratio is similar in the all 4 substances. You can say that in all 4 gases, liquid, we have been given whatever substance. So answer is x is directly proportional with the y. As we are changing the value of the x, the value of the y will also change. आप देख सकते हैं जैसे जैसे x की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है वैसे वैसे y की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है और फाइनल 4 सीरीज में आप देख सकते हैं जब x 2.10 है so y is 573 and their gradually increase is 7 is equal. So A is the right answer. A liquid boils when its vapor pressure becomes equal to its atmospheric pressure, as you know very well. Remember this line, that a liquid boils when its vapor pressure becomes equal to its atmospheric pressure. So 760 centimeter of mercury, here is a mistake, you can say that. So it's not cm, it's not centimeter, it's millimeter, mm of mercury. 1 Pascal? No, it's not possible. C. 101325 kilopascal. It is the right answer. C is the right option. And 0.1 D option is not correct because it must be 180 m. So, question number 6 ka C is the correct answer. Now here question number 7. Acetone has a characteristic fragrant odor and is used to make finger nail polish. आप लोगों ने नेल पॉलिश देखी ही होगी, यूज़ भी की होगी. So, is it solid, liquid or gas at room temperature? Obviously, it is liquid at room temperature. It's a common observation. It melts at minus 94 degrees and boils at 56 degrees. What is the physical state of acetone at 25 degrees and 1 atmosphere? जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि 25 degrees is the room temperature and at the room temperature acetone, which is a nail polish used to make a nail polish, is liquid at room temperature. Now question number 8. You know, students, that water normally boils at 100 degrees. But it is possible for water to boil at room temperature. What do you think? Is it possible? If it is possible, so what variables would you have to change to do this? We have to increase the external pressure, we have to decrease the external pressure, we have to decrease the temperature, or none of these. So, if we want to boil water at room temperature, we have to decrease the external pressure. Always remember it. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि पानी रूम टेम्परेचर पर बॉयल हो इंस्टेड ऑफ 100 डिग्रीज, वी हैव टू डिक्रीज द एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर. जैसे ही में हम वाटर का एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर डिक्रीज करेंगे, इट विल स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग एट रूम टेम्परेचर. Now question number 9 is, bromine has a melting point of -7 degrees and a boiling point of 59 degrees. What is the physical state of bromine at 100 degrees? अब इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा समझें कि अगर ब्रोमीन का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट -7 डिग्रीज है और इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 59 डिग्रीज है, तो फिजिकल स्टेट क्या होगी ब्रोमीन की एट 100 डिग्रीज पर? If its melting point is -7, its boiling point is 59, it will convert it into the gaseous state at 100 degrees because it is greater than its melting point. Question number 10 is, what is not the property of crystalline solids? You know crystalline solids have a definite shape, orderly arrangement of the particles, have repeating three-dimensional arrangement of the particles, and they are solid. So, they are not generally soft. Option number D is the correct answer.